Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the biggest gaming news of the week, from new releases and updates to some surprise announcements you probably didn't see coming. If you love staying up to date on everything happening in gaming, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right in. Gamers, creators, tech enthusiasts, get ready to have your minds blown. NVIDIA just unleashed a beast into the wild, the NVIDIA RTX PRO 5072GB Blackwell GPU. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. That's right, the NVIDIA RTX PRO 5072GB Blackwell GPU is officially here and generally available. For months we've heard whispers, seen leaks, and now the power of Blackwell is at our fingertips. This GPU packs an astonishing 72GB of memory, a game changer for anyone pushing the boundaries of graphics, rendering, and especially AI. What does this mean for you? If you're a gamer, imagine ultra-high resolutions, insane frame rates, and ray tracing that looks so real it's scary, all running smoother than ever before. The Blackwell architecture is designed for peak performance, ensuring your favorite titles and even future ones will run flawlessly. But it's not just about gaming. NVIDIA is emphasizing the agentic and generative AI capabilities of this card. For content creators, 3D artists, and developers, this translates into lightning-fast rendering, complex simulations, and the ability to run cutting-edge AI models directly on your desktop. This is huge for accelerating workflows and enabling new levels of creativity. The RTX PRO 5072GB is positioned to empower professionals, but its underlying technology will undoubtedly influence future consumer-grade GPUs, giving us a glimpse into the future of gaming hardware. This release solidifies NVIDIA's commitment to pushing technological boundaries, merging the worlds of gaming and AI in a truly powerful way. We're talking about a significant leap forward in desktop computing performance. Gamers, prepare to feast your eyes. ASUS Republic of Gamers is about to unleash a visual revolution at Gamescom 2025 with their cutting-edge OLED gaming monitors. Get ready for unparalleled immersion. That's right, ASUS ROG is taking the gaming display world by storm, revealing their innovative OLED gaming monitors at the highly anticipated Gamescom 2025. They're introducing two powerhouses, the Swift PG20AO AQWEP and the Strix XG20AO AQWMG. These aren't just any monitors, they're equipped with groundbreaking Tandem OLED technology. What does Tandem OLED mean for you, the gamer? It means superior brightness, which is often a concern with some OLED panels, and a significantly extended lifespan, addressing durability worries. This is huge. Imagine playing your favorite AAA titles with colors that pop like never before. True, inky blacks that make every shadow feel real, and contrast ratios that are simply breathtaking. OLED technology inherently offers instantaneous response times, virtually eliminating motion blur and ghosting, giving competitive gamers a distinct edge. With ROG's reputation for pushing performance boundaries, we can expect these monitors to feature high refresh rates, adaptive sync technologies, and a suite of gaming-centric features designed to elevate your experience. The unveiling at Gamescom 2025, one of the biggest gaming events globally, signals ASUS ROG's confidence in these new products. This move solidifies their position at the forefront of gaming display innovation. Whether you're a competitive esports player who needs every advantage, or a single-player enthusiast looking for the most immersive visual experience possible, these new OLED monitors from ROG are definitely something to get excited about. This is the future of gaming visuals, and ASUS ROG is leading the charge. Get ready to inject some serious style into your setup, because Corsair's vibrant XENEON EDGE 14 5-inch LCD touchscreen in atomic purple is officially shipping today. That's right, Corsair is making waves with the release of their XENEON EDGE 1.5-inch LCD touchscreen in a stunning atomic purple finish, with shipments beginning on December 26, 2025. This isn't just about a new color, it's about offering more personalization options for a truly versatile gaming peripheral. The XENEON EDGE, already a popular choice for its compact size and responsive touch functionality, is an ideal secondary display for a multitude of uses. Imagine effortlessly managing your Twitch chat while streaming, monitoring your PC's performance stats at a glance, or even using it as a control panel for various applications without interrupting your main game. The addition of the atomic purple colorway brings a bold, distinctive look that will undoubtedly make your gaming setup stand out. Corsair is known for its quality and attention to detail, and this monitor is no exception. promising crisp visuals and reliable performance. This release caters to a growing demand for both high performance and aesthetically pleasing gaming gear. It allows gamers and content creators to express their individuality and create a truly cohesive and personalized environment. Whether you're building a new PC, upgrading your current setup, or just looking for that perfect eye-catching accessory, the Atomic Purple XENEON EDGE is a fantastic option that blends form and function beautifully. It's a testament to Corsair's understanding of the diverse needs and desires within the gaming community. Thanks for watching. If today's update helped you stay in the loop, hit like and drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next round of gaming news. See you in the next update.